Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2010 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, passenger airbag, air conditioning, power steering, automatic transmission, AM/FM stereo with CD player, tachometer, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, tilt steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.